So for question number one in our journal three, I can tell you that my reflection with the learning experience of how I was selecting the data in the approach and sharing the results with the stakeholders, I think there's some stakeholders that you might have that strong connection. Like, for example, with my director, I could have done that in person, right? With the board of directors, I would have sent that information electronically, or I could have meet with them in person, but I would have shared those results in a hard copy, and I would have given them that hard copy for them to have it. With the parents, I would have shared my results electronically as well, for them to see in which ways we can improve our program quality. So what I understood is that everybody has a different level to connect, but also a way to distribute these results. And again, it depends on the level of connection. Identify and describe something that you notice that puzzle you, frustrates you, or excited you, or surprise you. Well, actually, what really surprised me is that everybody has a different way in which we share the results, and how important this program evaluation has been for me to learn more about my program and learn more about what I teach and the religion that I teach, and how important it is for teachers again to get that education not only in Judaica but also in early childhood in order to improve the quality of our program. Also, the amount of work again that the director has communicating not only with stakeholders like parents, teachers, and staff, but also with the board of directors that have the most power, you know, of decision making. Name what it was that produced a feeling you noticed and why you felt this way. Well, I I had the feeling that it's kind of like a deja vu, because now that I have gone through this evaluation, I remember being in those inspections, or like those evaluations done in the room by Strong Minds or class. And basically, that was kind of like coming back to that and remembering those moments in which the program has been evaluated and how I reacted or how I improved the way I teach thanks to these evaluations done in our program, especially when we were actually recorded and listening to the way in which we were communicating with the children. So I think that was the moment that kind of like, stay with me, is that feeling of deja vu that I have done this before, but I have been only a participant. But now I'm a evaluator, even though we're pretending we're actually, we're evaluating our program. And finally, name what you have taken away from this critical incident that you will carry with you. Well, I feel that I'm still learning about the program, that I can learn more, and that I'm going to be able to grow more, because now I not only understood how the program is run, but also the opportunities, the threats, the weaknesses through the SWOT analysis that our program has, and how can we improve it. How, as a teacher and as a parent of the school, how can I help the program to have a better quality for our communities, and also the amount of inclusion that I have found in this amazing program, because I have my own personal experience of being part of the LGBTQ plus community, and now being able to feel included, feel happy in the place that I work, and also being respected by the community, and being loved too. So, I mean, I feel that this is what I'm gonna carry, the amount of love and passion that I have for this program, because I feel that as a teacher and as a parent and as part of my community for my school, I have to prepare myself. I have to keep taking classes. I have to keep going with this master's and improving myself. And with that, I will improve the program. Thank you so much.